In the twilight of the Bronze Age, a shadow loomed over mighty civilizations, as drought, famine, and invasions threatened their very existence. As the skies turned unforgiving and the rivers ran dry, communities became desperate for resources, leading to conflict and chaos across the region. In the midst of turmoil, leaders sought solutions through alliances, yet mistrust brewed as rival factions faced off in brutal confrontations. As cities fell silent and the echoes of civilization faded, survivors ventured into uncertain futures, their stories forever etched in the annals of time. Centuries later, archaeologists excavate the remnants of these lost cities, piecing together the narrative of a great civilization that fell into oblivion. Today, the story of the Bronze Age collapse serves as a reminder of resilience and the fragility of civilization, urging humanity to learn from its past. In this modern age, the echoes of ancient civilizations remind us that while societies may rise and fall, the spirit of human resilience continues to thrive.